Hi, I'm Ellen,
And I'm Marcia,
and we are
the Myriad Team.
The health and safety of the public at large is always our highest priority. That being said, we understand that even now there are buyers and sellers who need to move forward with their individual real estate transactions. This is a unique situation that our entire world is facing right now. Our goal is to make you comfortable with the individual decision that you make right now.
The good news is that our team is 100% ready to help you through the use of virtual technology. We already have the tools to not just photograph your property, but we can also create a dollhouse 3D tour and even a 360-degree virtual reality video walkthrough of your property.
For those of you who need to sell your home right now, due to government mandated restrictions, in-person showings are prohibited. And that's where any of these virtual tours that we can create for you can help get your home sold.
And likewise, if you're a buyer who needs to make a purchase right now, those same government mandates are going to prohibit us from being able to see the house in person. And we will make every effort possible to obtain a virtual tour of every property that you wish to see.
Please know that even before these government mandates were put in place, we were already using these tools as tech-enabled agents, and we've sold multiple homes already using virtual technology. We would be honored to help you buy or sell your home virtually. We are
The Myriad Team.
And we specialize in
Real estate for real people
like you,
virtually.